Hi Shabnam, I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm just taking a look at your elements assignment and you've done oxygen, carbon and hydrogen, all gases. So it would have been good if you could have included a metal, but that's okay. You've got some background information on oxygen, which is good. You've got some pictures of oxygen and the elemental information. So you've got the Bohr diagram here. So I'm glad you included that. And some interesting facts. But what you don't have is some chemical equations. So, um, and you don't have chemical equations for each of your atoms. Um, so there's one thing that's something that you've left out. All right, carbon, lots of background information. Picture of carbon, it's good. Your Bohr diagram, elemental information, and some interesting facts, which is good. And then hydrogen, you've got your Bohr diagram here, and your information. That's a great picture. I like that one. And some interesting facts, which looks a bit brief. Um, so you don't have your chemical equations, but you don't have a bibliography. So a bibliography is a list of where you got the information from, and you got the information all from web addresses, some different websites, and so you need to copy the URL. So that's all the HTTP // www dot and then the address of the site that you're on. So you need to just copy and paste every address, the URL, which is the web address of every website you visit, and put it in a list under bibliography. Um, but you did hand it in on time, so that's really good. So, and include most of the information. So I'm going to give you a very high. So congratulations and enjoy the rest of your holidays. Bye.